Standard 10, Subject Science and Technology, Part 2. Lesson number 5, Towards Green Energy. Let us see power plant based on nuclear energy. In the power plant based on the nuclear energy, steam turbine is used to rotate the generator. However, here the energy released by fission of nuclei of the atom, for example uranium or plutonium, is used to generate the steam of high temperature and high pressure. The energy in the steam rotate the turbine, which in turn drive the generator producing the electricity. In nuclear power plant, nuclear energy is converted into thermal energy, and then thermal energy is converted into kinetic energy of steam, and kinetic energy of steam is converted into kinetic energy of turbine, and finally the kinetic energy of the turbine is converted into the electrical energy. Now let us see how does nuclear fission takes place. When the neutron is bombarded on atom of the uranium 235, it absorbs the neutron and converts into its isotopes uranium 236. Uranium 236, being extremely unstable, converts into the atom of the barium and krypton through a process of fission, releasing 3 neutrons and 200 mega electron volt energy. The 3 neutrons generated in this process causes fission of 3 other uranium 235 atoms, which releasing more energy. The neutrons released in this reaction release more energy through fission of the more uranium nuclei. This process of fission of uranium 235 atoms continues and is called the chain reaction. In nuclear power plants, a controlled chain reaction results in release of thermal energy, which is used for electrical energy generation. A nuclear power plant does not use fossil fuel, for example coal, petrol, diesel. Therefore, problems like air pollution do not arise. Also, if sufficient nuclear fuel is available, this can be a good source of electrical energy. However, there are a few problems associated with nuclear power generation. See the problems. The product after fission of the nuclear fuel are also radioactive and emit the harmful radiation. The products are called nuclear waste. An accident in nuclear power plant can be very fatal. This is because the accident may result in release of the very harmful radiations. Now let us see power generation plant based on the energy of natural gas. In this plant, turbine is run by a gas at very high temperature and pressure generated by combustion of natural gas. And there are 3 main sections in this type of the power plant. Pressurized air is introduced into the combustion chamber using a compressor. In the combustion chamber, the natural gas burns in the presence of the air. The gas at very high temperature and pressure generated in this chamber runs the turbine. The turbine then drives the generator to produce the electricity. Now see step by step transformation of the energy. In this power plant, chemical energy in natural gas are converted into kinetic energy generated due to combustion of natural gas, and it then converted into kinetic energy in turbine, and then it converted into electrical energy. And the efficiency of this type of the power generation plant is higher than that of power generation plant based on coal. Since the natural gas does not contain the sulfur, burning of natural gas results in less pollution. Let us see hydroelectric energy. Kinetic energy in the flowing water or potential energy in water reservoir is a conventional source of energy. In hydroelectric power plant, the potential energy in stored water in dam is converted into kinetic energy of water. Fast flowing is brought from the dam to the turbine at the bottom of the dam. The kinetic energy of the flowing water drives the turbine. The turbine in turn drives the generator to generate the electricity. Now see advantage of the hydroelectric power generation. Since no fuel is burned in the hydroelectric power generation, so there is no pollution resulting from the combustion of fuels. If there is sufficient water storage in the dam, it is possible to generate the electricity as and when necessary. Although water reservoirs is used for the power generation, it can be replenished during rainy season, leading to uninterrupted power generation. Let us see the problem associated with hydroelectric power plants. The backwater due to storage of water in dam may submerge villages or towns in that area. This leads to the problems of rehabilitation of the displaced population. Moreover, this can also submerge forest as well as fertile lands. The obstruction of the flow of river water may have adverse effect on living world in the river. Thank you.